Good morning. Oh dear. Well, that blew me away.
Holy shrimp, that's epic!
It's reaction time!
You're probably wondering why I had that sign, my Reploids, which I'll get to in just a moment. But for now, good morning. Hope you guys are having a very blessed Sunday. My name is Silverreploid CLE, the Silverreploid coming at you live looking fresh in the flesh on the net, stream or non-stream, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today, we're into another one of Yanagi's 19871's videos. Another extreme burping in public mega compilation requested by a fellow subscriber who wanted me to react to this video yesterday, but I couldn't do so because, well, I've been exhausted. I've been doing a lot of ripping and running yesterday, and therefore I got too tired, not to mention the fact that I slept rather early, and of course I woke up around midnight, coming to find out that I was still wearing my clothes from yesterday, so yeah, they're still clean, but either way, yeah, I had a woke up around midnight instead of till then, so I'm probably going to fall asleep early later on today, which I don't mind. Everyone has to regain their energy and things, but either way, the reason why I did this, my fellow Reploids, is because we're now closing in on July as we speak. June has already been concluded for this year. It's been nice knowing you, June. I had a great time hanging with you, which could have been a little longer, but either way, it's life. It is what it is, but either way goes, you cannot change fate. So, either way, guys, let's get to this video. Our July 1st special, semi-special, reacts to Yanagi's 19871's Extreme Burping Mega Compilation. Extreme Burping in Public Mega Compilation. Primitive mating calls in addition to it. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Yanagi 19871's channel. I'm going to his channel, this awesome guy's channel, in the credit section description below, the comment section pinned, and the outro of this video. And with that insinuated, let's go ahead and roll this clip. We shall see how it goes. Raw clip now. I'm definitely going to work on getting a new pair of these and a new webcam. Plus another microphone, a little microphone collection. Oh my god, already? So it's not just him per se. It's his friends too. Wow. Jesus! Oh man. Mating call. Oh my. That is one great looking giraffe. I love those things. Those gentle long-necked creatures. Oh dear, there's Yanagi. I can tell he's right there. Oh! At least I was close. At the very least I was close to where he was. Well, at least I knew where, almost knew where he was. One more second wind. No? I guess not. There's Yanagi. Jeez. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, she's like, oh, I thought something was wrong with her. Well, it just left. What the heck was that? Oh, mating call. Primitive mating call. This guy is funny. He's awesome. That's why I subscribe to him. You guys should too. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to his channel. Jeez. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, there he is. They were startled. Jeez. He's laughing. Back to doing soccer. Oh! Why me? Whoa. Must have used some kind of reception receiver on his camera to get a close sound of what's going on from a distance. That's some caption for the dog. God, dog!
Opgekomen deelnemer, namelijk de organisatie van Drakenboot zelf.
Oh my gosh. I couldn't even figure out where he was in this crowd. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's getting ready to do it. God! Oh! From a distance, it's almost funnier. Jeez. Doing that as his YouTube specialty is really cool. A lot of people have their own specialties when it comes to YouTubing. This guy is amazing. Although if I were to be in that position right there, I'd probably exhaust myself. That's the same clip I saw when he had that 60,000 subscriber special going on. Did I get that count right? Yeah, I did. Now it's showing 62,000. Let's get him up to 100,000 because he deserved his 100,000 brownie. Well, cake. Please subscribe to him. I was not expecting that to make me jump. Just a little bit. Jesus. Oh my god. Inside the tent. I didn't even realize until he came out of there. Oh dear. Volleyball practice! So like someone was like fighting out there until they scrolled down there where they were doing. It's just volleyball practice.
Fuck.
Oh my god. Did they spot on my Houston camera? Oh my god. That was a good one. Very good one. Oh man. Yeah, soda does a trick. Jeez. Oh man, look like. Oh my god. Nice music in the background. It kind of reminds me of the Super NES. What's orbit dynamics? What about it? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Don't do Yanagi. Oh my god. Jeez. They're all looking at him almost. Jesus. Good morning. Oh dear. Well, that blew me away. That blew me away too. Every time he comes with close and the chorus bursts, that's why I'll do this. It's funny. What the heck? Oh my god, man. Oh boy. Where the heck was he? Oh, right there. Yeah, that is a big clap right there. I'll never forget the one where the guy had stopped at the red light and then he burped and he just took off running in his car. This is the same one from the previous compilation I reacted to. If you hadn't seen that, check out the one in the outro. I reacted to that one before all these came. This is my third Yanagi reaction clip. Why am I doing that when I saw before? At least most of them recognize him. Yeah. If I were to come across him, I will definitely have my phone ready. Probably do a little burping challenge or something. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. I can't. That is one hectic burp. That jumps in here. A mating call. Rhinoceros! They're so cool. Oh! Oh! They better not take charge. Well, they better not charge in at the balcony, the small balcony. You know what I mean. Oh man. Rhinos are cool though. I don't even know how to describe that one. That really got me right there. Funny as heck.
Hey.
Oh my god! Oh god. Okay. Oh my god! I remember that location. Jeez. That old man though. My god, man. Let's translate that. Thanks for loving comment. He's funny. He's awesome.
Nice.
No one can ever top him.
Yep.
Yanagi 19871 for the win. When it comes to burping, yeah. He probably can top me. For sure. There he is right there. It would have been funny if it was a very loud and quick one. He would be like, yeah. Infinite claps. I'll clap to the end of the video because love it, man. It's a new record. What the heck was that? Oh. It's a burping dino. Oh. A burping dino? Oh, he's chasing after him. He is legitimately chasing after him. McDonald's. Oh my god. Yeah, bro. Oh, I thought you were about to fall down from the skating ramp. Okay. Whoa! Holy shrimp! Burger King's my jam, but oh my god! It's like you have superpowers. The transparent air opening the door. That is so cool. Oh gosh. Alright guys, so that was a video. Another Extreme Burping in Public Mega Compilation, primitive mating calls in addition to it by Unagi19871. Unagi19871, if you're watching this video, great job on this compilation. This is very golden, like the other one that you did one time when I first reacted to you, and of course you commented on my video saying nice video. That's why I'm giving you tons of more love and support in this one reaction. Guys, please make sure you take a minute to subscribe to this awesome YouTuber. No one can top this Burping King, not even me. But either way, please subscribe to him. His channel will be provided in the credits, comments, and the outro of the video. If you like the reaction, also smack the thumbs up button because we're going to keep going. This one's for the upcoming birthday that's coming up very soon, this Saturday. If you guys are new to this channel, otherwise, make sure to subscribe for more content. Make sure to follow my social media. Also join my Twitch where I live on Fridays, Saturdays, and of course on the holidays. If you want to join, click the description below. And don't forget, as always, to share because you care. So with that said, the more to come soon. This is Silverreploid CLA. I love you guys to the fullest, and as always, I'll see Silverreploid in the next video. And before I go, let me guys give you a little present. Not even close, but pardon me, guys. I gotta go. Catch you guys later.
If you haven't already, please make sure to click the bell symbol located by the subscriber count. Just one click away, and boom! Hi there Reploids, this is Silverreploid CLA. Wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more content, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social media for more updates, and in case you missed it, please check out my previous video or any video displayed, and please give tons of love and support. I look forward to seeing you at the Utopia, my dear Reploids.